Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are making some pizza. This is our homemade dough. We put 6 balls in the pan here. Just going to carefully grab one out. If you want to use a bench scraper here, that works great too because they do stick together. Just do it, y'all. I've got some all-purpose flour here. I use bread flour for the dough, but AP is cheaper, so I just use this for the dusting. Add a little on the bottom. Look at those bubbles. Define the crust a little bit. Need a nice sprinkle down here. Spread it out. It's gonna get a little messy. Flour side down. Start in the middle, poke it out. Usually we cook pizza in our pizza oven for the Blackstone, which was a wonderful gift, but sometimes we can't get out there, whether it be rainy and wet or maybe where you are, you don't have a Blackstone. So we picked up a cheap pizza stone and are using that. We picked up one for a good price on Facebook Marketplace. Try to keep a good thickness on the center. I got a weird straggler here. I'm just going to throw that in the middle. That's from pulling the dough all strange. It'll be fine. We're going to add just some tomato sauce. It's a little small now, but when we're shaping, the gluten needs to rest in order for you to shape it better. So once I add the toppings and the pepperoni, I can use the pepperoni to grab it and stretch it out more. Use the back of the spoon to spread it good. Add salt. Black olives. We usually enjoy a black olive pepperoni pizza. Got some runaway black olives here. I love black olives. Going with some mozzarella cheese. You don't need a ton. The pizza dough we make is very simple, very easy, simple ingredients. And we have a video on how we started making this dough this way, and it turns out absolutely incredible. All right, cheese. I'll add a little more cheese. Now for the pepperoni. You can make a pizza festive by making it an interesting shape. Heart shape, football.
4-leaf clover.
Get out of here. Could make a doggy bone.
Good.
A flower, potentially. 4-leaf clover. So now before I add too many, it looks like it's full, but we're just going to give it a little stretch. With the weight of the toppings and the gluten relax in a second. Can give it a little pull. The dough's pretty cold from the fridge, so it's kind of messy. Now we can fit more pepperoni. You can add whatever toppings you like. What toppings do y'all like? And my family really loves pizza, so this is a staple in our home. All right, y'all, shimmy test. Oh yeah, it's a little oval, so I'm gonna see if I can stretch it for more round, and that looks beautiful. Little messy, no big deal. You kind of want to get a little bit of the excess flour, scoot it over. If you pass the shimmy test, is what I call it, then you will get it good in the oven. All right, we're gonna put it in. I got a pizza stone in there. All right, we're just gonna shimmy it on in. I'm gonna pull the shelf out a little bit. Middle shelf does better than the top shelf. We're gonna put the timer on for 2 minutes. I will cook it. I preheated the stone and the oven at 550. I'll cook it for 2 minutes, rotate it 180 degrees, cook it for another 2 minutes, then put the light colored side in the back for another 2 minutes, and you're good to go. Beautiful crisp on the outside crust, beautiful crisp on the bottom, and it's incredible. You could dip it in ranch, dip it in marinara, whatever you like. I'm gonna shape this dough a little bit and cover them. I'm gonna cut my doughs as well. All right, y'all, the timer went off. Gonna wipe this off a little bit or just shake it off. No, we'll wipe it. Gonna rotate it. Beautiful, nice and poofy. We might just do whatever that is. Go for another 2 minutes on the timer. 2 minutes, and we'll check it out in another 2. Delicious. All right, y'all, we're gonna check this pizza again. I'll show you what we're working with. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna put this in the back a little bit. Let's see the bottom actually. Oh yeah, it actually looks really good. I'm gonna put that side on the back again and do it another 1 to 2 minutes. Should be good. When it comes out, it might soften up a hair, but not too much. And we're ready to eat. All right, y'all, there's our timer. It's been in there 6 minutes. Got a little darker than usual. Set this to the side. All right, y'all. Now we've got this cute little chopper. Look at that pie, y'all. Yes, please. Look at that beauty. Oh, forget about it. It's kind of little, but still delicious. The bottom, nice and firm. Nice crisp. Beautiful and airy. Forget about it, y'all. Look at that steam. And it's hotter than a firecracker. Check that rise out. No flop. Come on, why wouldn't you want that? All right, we just separated a little bit to get nice cool. I'm gonna eat this one with less crust. It's my husband's favorite part. All right, it's hot, but I'm gonna try it. Look at the bottom. The flavor of this crust, y'all, and these pepperonis got a little spice to them. They're so good. So good. All right, y'all, we'll eat this and make another one. So good, y'all. Nice crisp on there. Shouldn't have put this over there by the oven because now it's kind of warm. Sprinkle a little flour on there. I set my dough back in the fridge. Get a little flour on the bottom. Got a bit of a weird shape happening. Push a little bit back to the center and then kind of dimple it. Kind of stretch by the crust so it can stretch out there. And I definitely have a weird shape going on. I'm gonna try to fix that. It's getting a little thin, but can kind of pinch that back together. This ain't the best dough I've ever done, but it's not bad. Sauce. And again, it will stretch out. Get some black olives. We don't have a ton of pepperonis left, so I'm gonna add some black olives for sure. Save a couple. Cheese it. It's nice having the cheese in a bowl to pull from. All right, y'all, we'll go in with a couple pepperonis. I worked at a pizza shop as a cashier, and a drunk lady came up and said, I want a pepperoni. So now it's a pepperoni, y'all. I didn't make the pizza or anything. I just cashier and served it. Give it a little stretch. You can kind of get a better shape here too. Shape and size. It's a budget-friendly, quick and easy dinner. Prepare a little bit with the dough and you're good to go. It's good for about 3 days and it's best after a day. So good. We're gonna just pop this in the oven real quick. Get a little better shape here. Beautiful. And wipe some of this flour so it doesn't burn on there. I didn't even check the shimmy test, y'all. Oh yeah, we passed. A+. Family favorite, y'all. All right, I'm not even gonna pull the stone out. We're just doing it. Going in, 2 minutes, rotate it twice. Total of 6 minutes. That's the mess at the bottom I need to clean up. All right, I'm cleaning up, but we'll check out this pie. Beautiful. This edge is a little light. We'll put that in the back. Another 2 minutes. Perfectly golden brown, delicious pizza. All right, y'all, this is it. I said, where'd my pizza go? Oh my goodness. Fresh out the oven. A little dark right there, but hey, we're eating good, y'all. Way more crispy this time. I'll eat this little one. Look at all those bubbles. Bon appetit, y'all. We appreciate y'all for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We encourage you to give your favorite meals a try at home. Bon appetit. This is hotter than a firecracker right now, so we need to let it cool a minute, but give this recipe a try. I'll link the video for the whole process down below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out, y'all.